Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about my Ling Kit. I had quite a few questions after my last webinar. I'm also going to give you tips on where you can buy your own toys. Here's my Ling Kit, which is what I take with me on every home visit or for every teletherapy appointment. And I'm going to go through each one and let you know where I got it from. Here is my baby. Her face is cute. I know some dolls can have kind of scary looking faces. As you can see, she's kind of been through a lot. Her little toes are dirty. I like her because she's easy to clean and I can just wipe her down. The only thing I don't like is that she doesn't really match my Ling card, but that's okay. It still serves its purpose with the stars and the owl for bedtime. Here's my airplane. I really like this airplane. I think I got it at a garage sale or maybe in Facebook Marketplace, but I really do like that it's simple. I don't worry about the wheels falling off, and of course it matches my Ling card. This is my mouse. I got him as a 3-pack from the Dollar Tree in the pet section. I like it because it matches my Ling card. This is the ice cream that I currently use for my Ling Kit. This ice cream I got at Target. It was a Christmas ornament. You can see where I pulled off the string on the top, but I like this ice cream because it looks very real and it's squeezable, so the kids can work on their fine motor. And of course, there's ice cream on the Ling card, so it worked out well. This is the snake that I have. Usually, I get the snakes from the dollar store, but this one, I think I ended up buying it on Amazon. I like it because it's pretty high quality. I think I paid $7 for it. It's a little more than I'd like to spend, but it's lasted and I could wash it easily. This is my ghost. I made the ghost myself. I sew it out of white felt, and for the eyes and the mouth, I usually use remnants of black fabric that I have, whether it's speaker fabric or felt, whatever I have available, I just hot glue it on. And of course, I like that it matches my Ling card as well. This is my hoop. I made it myself. I just went to Joann's and I bought the speaker fabric and nice ribbon for it. As you can see, the speaker fabric is a little see-through. I use it mainly for detection and it works well. I use these rings. They're shower curtain rings that I bought at the dollar store, and I use them for behavioral response. So whenever they hear the sound, they can pick it up and drop it into the container. Now I'm going to talk more in detail about where you can purchase some of these items. Whenever I'm at Ross, Marshalls, or TJ Maxx, if I see a 3-pack of baby dolls, I end up buying them. This 3-pack was $10.99, which means each doll was a little over $3, and that's actually pretty good. These dolls are pretty high quality. The clothes are very well made, and they're about 6 inches long, and they're obviously bigger than the baby that I use in my kit. So what I decided to do is find a better deal, and I found this 8-pack of babies on Amazon for $19.99, which is a pretty good deal. That makes each one about $2.50. Let's take a look at them. Here they are. They're pretty cute, but as you can tell, the clothing isn't very high quality. And the other thing I notice is compared to the baby that I have in my Ling Kit, they are very pink, but they're good enough for a Ling Kit. I don't find any problem with them. Now let's talk about the airplanes. The Air Power airplanes I got at the dollar store, but as you can see, they kind of pose a choking hazard with the wheels that can come off. So I'm not a fan of them, but when I can't find them and I'm desperate, I usually end up going with them. This one, the wooden one, this one I actually got at Target for about $2. I like it because it's wooden. I regret not buying more because I would have liked to include them in the Ling Kit, and I'm always looking out for them. The cat toys, I get them at the Dollar Tree. The gray one came in just the 1-pack. The striped one actually came in a pack of 2, and what I like about those is that they squeak. The squeak is very high pitch, which is good if you're having students detect the high pitched sounds. For the snakes, Windy City Novelties had this 12-pack for a good price. Each of them is a little over $1, and it works out really well. They're about the same quality as the ones I get from the Dollar Tree. They're just a little bit longer. They're about 24 inches, and they have the tongue. I always want to make sure that they have the tongue. These are my ice cream cones at the Dollar Tree. You can get them in packs of 3, so it comes 3 ice cream cones for $1, which is a great deal. And they're bubbles also, but I usually empty out the bubbles because I want to focus more on the M sound than the bubbles. And then finally, the ghost. Here is the felt that I use for my ghost. I always fold it over and cut on the fold, and then here you can see where I made the cuts for all my ghosts. And then this is the remnant of felt that I happen to have right now, so I'll be using that for the eyes and the mouth. Thanks for watching my Ling Kit video. All the links are in the description. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe.